Efficient, made-to-suit engineered steel storage building kits from General Steel are the ultimate solution for cost-effective durability. Nothing protects and stands the test of time like steel. Other traditional framing like wood or masonry degrade over time or require ongoing maintenance and repairs. On the other hand, a genuine steel-framed storage building from General Steel provides enhanced protection from fire and pests, a lower cost to insure, and increased efficiency for HVAC systems. Steel is the ideal framing material for storage buildings as it allows for longer uninterrupted interior spans, which translates into more usable square footage. And when you purchase a steel storage building kit from General Steel, you get every nut, bolt, and beam you need to frame the building, install the roof, and add the siding. All you need are the anchor bolts, the foundation, and the contractor to put it all together. All steel storage building kits from General Steel represent the latest in steel framing technology, supported by a company with decades of experience planning, engineering, and supplying premium steel buildings throughout the country. We don't just sell steel buildings. We can help with pre-construction services, zoning and code reviews, floor planning, and more. We can even refer you to a qualified local contractor to help with whatever you need to finish the construction of your new storage facility exactly the way you want it. Some of the most popular storage building sizes include 20 feet by 20 feet, offering 400 feet of secure storage space. The 20 by 20 size is affordable, compact, and exceptionally efficient. 30 feet by 40 feet. This is one of our most popular storage building size selections, which allows for more storage of larger vehicles, including a Class A RV. 40 feet by 60 feet. Perfect for agricultural or commercial operations. The 40 by 60 storage building affords much more flexibility to add multiple ingress and egress doors, windows, and other customizations. 50 feet by 100 feet. With this size, you can maximize storage space without sacrificing durability or build quality, with 5,000 square feet of interior square footage. Not sure which size is right for your storage building? We're here to help. General Steel specializes in developing customized steel building kits that are right size for the land you'll be using, the local climate, and your vision for how the new building will be used. Don't forget that we can supply man doors, roll-up doors, vertical or horizontal windows, insulation, gutters, downspouts, and other exterior enhancements. It's all possible with the assistance of your dedicated General Steel project manager. Enjoy lasting performance from your new storage building, along with the confidence that comes with our standard 50-year structural warranty, a 40-year paint warranty, and a 20 to 25-year roof warranty depending on roof style. With General Steel, your new storage building can be designed, engineered, shipped direct to you, and built fast. We look forward to working with you.